guys, welcome to another video. In this video we'll see how can we use Google Meet free new feature to see the subtitle under the during our Zoom meeting. Okay, this feature will help us to understand what the buyer is talking with me. Sometimes the region problem we don't understand what they are actually talking. We don't understand it easily. So as a new freelancer and as our English is a third country language, that's why we have major problem in English language. So in this feature, it will help us to understand what are the buyer talking, and it will help us to convert the client as their needs. Okay, I am just going to my Google Meet and just do it. Okay, I'm going to Google Meet. Here I am creating a new meeting. Start an instant meeting here. So here the Google Meet interface will come to our phone, and here the Google Meet URL link. I just copy it and send it to my another device. Okay, just a minute. I'm sharing this link on my another device, and I am come back in my Google Meet. Okay, as you can see, my Google Meet meeting is running. Okay, maybe you also see my face. So here you just need to select. Here you can see there is CC. I mean, turn on captions. C or Shift plus C. Turn on captions. Just you need to click here. Okay, just click here, and the magic is comes front of us. Here you can see what are you talking. What are you talking is come front of your eyes. So it will help you to understand that what your buyers actually talking, what's their accent. So it's very different. We usually work with USA or European client, and their region accent is different. So sometimes we are struggle to understand that what the client actually saying. So it's it was a very uh, big problem as a new freelancer. So this feature maybe will help us to do this, and it will help us understand the buyer actually saying. So it was a paid feature of Google Meet previously, and the Google Meet is now giving it free for use, and I hope it will be a great feature and helpful feature for as a new freelancer for us. Okay, so maybe this video will help you to turn on your subtitle option features of your Google Meet, and it will help us to grow our freelancer journey as well. So if this video is help to you, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question on your mind, just comment on my video section. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me. Be safe. Thank you.